Welcome back to part 2. Arthur Atkins set himself up as a freelance gardener the other day, and picking on houses that had well-kept and well-laid-out front gardens, he went in and asked the householders if he could do some gardening for them. However, there was one snag. Arthur can't tell weeds from flowers, and the weeds he was offering to pull up for them were, in fact, some of their prized blooms.
Do you like the garden?
Pardon?
Do you like the garden done?
No, thank you. I've got a gardener.
The gardener?
I've got my own garden.
I can take all these weeds up for you and...
No, thank you.
No?
It's not weeds, it's flowers.
This is weeds, isn't it?
What is weeds?
All these weeds, they can come out.
No, thank you.
Hmm?
I've got my own full-time gardener. I don't need a gardener. Thank you very much.
Hasn't he been lately then?
He's been yesterday.
Has he?
Yes. It's okay.
Okay. And take these weeds, do you want up?
No, I don't want anything done. Thank you very much.
Okay. You don't want any done at all?
No.
So I could get rid of that old...
No, you better not. No. Why don't you try next door?
Oh, the lady has a gardener, comes every day.
Oh,
You obviously haven't...
No, well, Mum does it all, you see.
Hmm?
Mum does it all,
Does
you
she?
see, yeah.
I could give her a hand, weekends if she wants. I could dig all this up for you. And put cabbages in and things.
Nah.
Don't want cabbages?
No.
I could put a line of
No.
cabbage and lettuce along there.
No, thanks.
Everything's all right here. I'm employed here to look after this.
Are you?
Yeah,
You're going to do the lawn?
yeah.
Put a lawn there?
No, we don't want a lawn there. We took the lawn away and put that there.
I know someone who'd dig that up for you and put
Don't want it dug up.
Shall I water the lawn for you?
No, thank you.
No?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Or I could take these
No, thank you.
weeds out.
No. It's my job. Sorry.
What about these weeds?
No, thank you.
I've got a lawnmower in the van.
I've got one up in the shed. Thank
Have you?
Yep. Now, there's nothing doing. Sorry, you're wasting your time.
There's no weeds on this lawn.
There's a lot of holes there where I've taken them out.
Where you've taken them out?
Yeah.
I could give you a hand to dig this up and we could put cabbages in. Or plastic roses or something. Huh?